Welcome back. It's Fabulous TT. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe to be a part of TT Squad. So let me show y'all the outfit of today. This is a cute lounge dress for Timu. It's in all black. And then my slides are also from Timu. So yeah, cute Wednesday. So this is another unboxing. This is part 2 of the Crème shop products. As y'all can see, it took about 3 weeks to get here. This is day 2 of the 3rd package getting here to me. So let's go ahead and open her up. Of course, they got wrapping, well, stuff above it. And the first thing I pull out is the Crème shop Dry Skin Prepare Foot Mask. This is such a cute packaging. Look at that packaging. Got the Crème shop. And it does come with 3 pairs, which is 6 boots. So let's open it up and see. So cute. I didn't want to tear it up. But I want to show you guys what it looks like. So finally got it open. Don't want to rip my nails. So it comes in 3 foot masks. Really cute. I'm going to put all the pricing of the Crème shop products I got in the prescription below. But this is the foot mask. So we're going to set that to the side. The next thing I pull out is the Crème shop Strawberry Oatmeal Body Cleanser. Now in my first video, I already used this before, which I love, but it was the white peach tea. This is the strawberry oat milk. I'm so glad this came today because I'm actually running out of my other Crème shop body cleanser. So really cute design. Love their products. And then next thing I pulled out is the Crème shop My Melanie Cleansing Wipes. You get 60. I just love how they dip in the packaging. This is aloe scent. It comes in 60 towelettes. This is for sensitive skin because I do have sensitive skin. And no, I don't wear makeup. This is my natural skin. So yeah. And they got it all taped up, but this is how it looks. All right. And the last things I have is a couple of face masks. As you can see, I love face masks. So the first one is the Hello Kitty Tea Time Sheet Mask. This is with black tea collagen. The next mask I got is the Guatemala. I love this character. It's in Rio. They don't have a lot of stuff in his stuff. So I decided to get the Nude to Glow sheet mask. It's vitamin C, collagen, bright, clear for youth. This is a limited edition. Did y'all know I had to get Minnie Mouse? Because when I was little, I loved Minnie Mouse. So I had to get a Minnie Mouse face mask. This is the Magic Glow. This is for collagen, dewy, and plump. I had got the BTS21 baby face mask. This is so cute. I don't know the name of this character, but I want to try this out. This is for collagen, PHA, and super berry blend. It plump, smooths, and brightness sheet mask. And then my last one is, y'all know this my girl, My Melody. I'm a My Melody fan. I have My Melody purse. I have a lot of her accessories in my purse. So, you know, I had to get a sheet mask of her. This is softer than cookie sheet mask. This is supposed to hydrate, firm, clarity, and soften my skin. So that is the last thing in the box. This is part 2 of the Crème shop accessories. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe to be a part of TT Squad. And I'll catch y'all later in the next video. Bye.